with another video. I'm about to head out to a call here. The client says he's got water going everywhere. He says he thinks he has a clogged drain. So we're gonna head out and take a look and bring y'all along with me, see what we find. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so here's what we're dealing with. Got an Acro Air handler, and you can see this trap, how gunked up it is. And this air handler is in a basement, horizontal in the drop ceiling. It's ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. But anyway, he's had some water damage. Of course, you can see no pan, and I guess the safety didn't work. So we're gonna start taking this apart and see what we need to do here. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, as y'all can see guys, pretty sludged up in there, almost like a partial clog. You can see how bad this, you can see right there how bad the P-trap was clogged. So probably gonna just cut it here, unscrew it here, and redo this whole trap, and then pop it open, check the pan, and then check this main line, flush it out, and vacuum it out real good, and then test everything. So yeah, he had a mess. All these tiles right here were destroyed. You can see one of them right down there. So he's had a big leak, and he said he don't know how long. A lot of this wood is ruined, so let's see if we can get it fixed for him. All right guys, let's get started cutting this thing out. All right. You can see the gunk we got up in there. Not good. Alright y'all, got a new safety switch that I'm installing. The other one quit working. Alright, y'all. New trap in. Just got to connect the drain and wire in my new float. Should be about good to go. All right, guys, getting it all back together. The vent on. My new floats or safety switch set, line connected. I just got to run my new wire over to the electrical part of the cabinet and wire it up. Screw my new door back on, put a new filter in. It was dirty, and should be good to go. All right, y'all, I'm at a weird angle because the camera's sitting on a light and it's right in front of the electrical cabinet. I can't get over what an amazing install this is, this location. It's driving me nuts. But anyway, got my new wires for my new T-switch. I just gotta get the old one pulled out. All right, y'all, just got to neaten this up a little bit, straighten it up, neaten it up, and we will be about done with this one. Alright, y'all, this one's about finished up. Just wanted to step back and show y'all again how this thing was. Got water damage here, and that's where the unit is. I had to work around, up and around this lot, and it was not very fun. But anyway, about wrap this one up. We're going to head on to the next one, but so we'll catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.